About the author. Richard L. Peterson is founder of Market Psychological Consulting, where he trains financial professionals for improved performance. Dr. Peterson has developed 5 psychological testing products, including the Money and Investing Personality Test. He is currently developing analytical market software and novel investment strategies for use in portfolio management. Dr. Peterson received a BS in electrical engineering and a BA in Applied Arts at the University of Texas in 1995. In 2000, he received a Doctor of Medicine degree from the University of Texas Medical Branch with honors. He completed psychiatry residency training at St. Matthew Medical Center in 2004, during which he was engaged in postdoctoral neuroscience research at Stanford University. After completing his graduate studies, Dr. Peterson designed forecasting software and traded future for an investment partnership. Thereafter, he investigated the role of emotions in financial decision making, both during medical school and neuroimaging research at Stanford. Dr. Peterson has published scientific papers in economics, finance, psychology, and neuroscience journals. He is an associate editor of the Journal of Behavioral Finance and is on the board of advisors of the Social Science Research Network (SSRNA). In the experimental and behavioral finance area, he is a member of the Society of Neuroeconomics, the Institute of Psychology and Markets, and the American Psychiatric Association. His primary professional interest is the role of emotion in investing decision making, and especially the arbitrage of neutral-based anomalies in the financial markets. His long-term fascination with the markets grew out of his early investing since age 12 and futures trading activities, and it continues with the application of psychological principles to investment strategy development. He plans to launch a quantitative psychological based hedge fund in early 2008. Dr. Peterson lives in the Los Angeles area with his wife and daughter.